Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we will design a photography studio poster using custom shapes. Set a dark gray background for a premium looking. Pick the custom shape tool and select the camera icon. Add the camera shape near the top center. Change its fill to white for clarity. Insert a circle shape behind the camera to create a glowing effect. Reduce its opacity for softness. Choose the starburst shape. Add it behind lens area. Lower the brightness to keep it subtle. Add a white rounded rectangle at the bottom for details. Fill it with charcoal black. Add service details inside the rectangle and add a pricing icons using small custom shapes.